Struggling with debt while trying to invest in the stock market? You're not alone. Millions of Americans are juggling loans, credit cards, and market investments. But what if I told you there's a smarter way to pay off your debts fast without giving up on your financial dreams? Stick around because today we're breaking down the exact steps to crush your debt while staying on top of the U.S. stock market.
Step 1. Face the numbers. No sugarcoating.
The first rule of debt freedom: know exactly what you owe. List all your debts: credit cards, student loans, car payments, etc. Note interest rates. High interest debt, like credit cards, is your number one enemy. Use free tools like Mint or Undebt IT to track everything. Step 2. The debt snowball versus debt avalanche. Debt snowball, quick wins equals motivation. Pay off the smallest debt first, then roll that payment into the next one. Best for people who need quick wins to stay motivated. Debt avalanche. Save money on interest. Attack the highest interest debt first. Saves you more money long-term but requires patience. Choose the method that fits your personality. Consistency is key. Step 3. Cut expenses and boost income temporarily. You don't have to live like this forever, just until you're debt-free. Trim unnecessary spending, subscriptions, eating out, impulse buys. Side hustles, freelancing, Uber, selling unused items. Redirect bonuses, tax refunds straight to debt. Step 4. Keep investing, but smarter. Should you pause investing to pay off debt? It depends. If debt interest is home 7%, focus on paying it off first. If debt is low interest, e.g. 3% mortgage, keep investing in index funds like S&P 500. Balance both by splitting extra cash between debt and investments. Step 5. Stay disciplined and celebrate wins. Debt freedom isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Track progress monthly. Reward yourself, without spending much, for milestones. Once debt-free, invest more aggressively.
Which debt payoff strategy are you using? Comment below. And if this helped, smash the like button and subscribe for more money tips.